Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on Apps, click on Settings over here and go into App Permissions. From here, pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps, like Compass. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, Compass just gained access to this device location. You can deny it by clicking at the same switcher. You can also go into the same settings as previously. Come on. But instead of picking apps, choose permissions over here and manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!